when you are knowing it that I am a divine, you are there itself. Then there is no two things. You are doing, for example, you are cooking. Okay? You are physically busy with all those things. You have to bring all your consciousness into that physical act. What you are doing with your hands, there the divine consciousness is. It is not separated there. It is not somewhere else in the background. You are acting. The one who is acting, with what you are acting, where the divine, everything is in one place. You cannot differentiate that. By knowing that I am divine, by knowing I am operating this with the divine consciousness only, by knowing physically my senses, my mind, my attention, everything is here in the present, you are being one. That is a devotion. So, if you are thinking, I am aware, I am a yogi, I am a divine consciousness, but still I am cooking here. This don't bring it. If you tell it one time, yes, I am a yogi, I have the divine consciousness within me, but now I am in samsara, I am in a kitchen, I am cooking now. This clarity one time if you have, then bring that and forget about it. You don't have to do this back and forth. Then you have to bring all that into that action. Now I have to cook, which means I have to bring all my energy into it. So you have to be there. While you are cooking, you don't have to think, I am divine and this is samsara. Don't think that. Don't bring this. If you bring this, then you will get confused. Be there where you are. That is your reality. The rest is Maya. Rest of everything consider as Maya only. Now I am speaking with you. The rest of the people are Maya for me. Your question is reality for me. I have to answer to you, that is reality for me. I am speaking to you, that is reality for me. Rest of the people, they are listening, that's not reality for me. That's a Maya for me. If you are listening or not, still it is also Maya for me. You understand?
Yeah, I slowly get it.
No. To make it completely simple, I am telling, either you are cleaning your house, either you are working on your office desk, either you are discussing with your clients, either you are on a phone with your friend or with the family or anyone, either you are going out for a walk with your dog, either you are just in a pool or in a sauna or in a douche, no matter where you are, just be there. That is your world, that is your reality. That simple it is. The rest is Maya. You don't have to take anything serious. When you are here, you have to be 100% here. Try your best that you can be here. That's the reality for a yogi. When you are on your desk, writing a mail or doing something or anything like this, you have to be fully there. Isn't it?